Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to pair your Xbox controller to the TV now. First, make sure the TV supports Bluetooth or has Xbox wireless. Power on the controller and press the Xbox button to wake it. If using Bluetooth, hold the controller's pairing button until the light flashes. If using Xbox wireless, put the console or adapter into pairing mode. Once done, open your TV's input or device menu and look for the controller to appear so you can start the connection process. Next, select the controller name shown on the TV to complete pairing. Confirm any on-screen prompts. Make sure the TV input is set to your console or streaming device so button responses route correctly. If the TV offers device mapping or gamepad settings, adjust stick sensitivity and button assignments to match your preference. This improves gameplay and menu navigation. Once paired and configured, test navigation in the TV menu and a game. If controls feel reversed, swap stick axes or invert in those settings. Finish by testing gameplay and menu navigation thoroughly. Check for input lag or disconnects. If the controller drops or won't stay connected, power cycle the TV and controller, then repeat the pairing steps. This often clears pairing caches. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off to reduce interference, and if problems persist, plug the controller into the TV or adapter with a USB cable for instant, stable input. That wired fallback normally solves latency and pairing failures quickly, getting you back to playing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.